Tuesday's precise and important news. Bamiyan cave dwellers to be moved to residential settlement. Zabiullah Mujahid, the spokesman of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, says that for the first time in Bamiyan province, a town is being built for the cave dwellers who have been living in caves for years without proper shelter. Another batch of Afghan citizens evacuated from Sudan. The deputy spokesman for the Foreign Ministry Hafiz Zia Ahmad Takal says that at least 43 Afghans stranded in Sudan have been evacuated to Jeddah in cooperation with Saudi Arabia. He adds that it was the second batch of Afghans being evacuated from Sudan. Export of Turkmenistan gas to Pakistan via Afghanistan has begun. Officials of the Ministry of Finance said that the export of Turkmenistan gas to Pakistan through Afghanistan has commenced and was marked by a ceremony in the Shorandam area of Kandahar. 779 children with heart disease treated in 9 months. Afghan Red Crescent Society introduced 19 more children suffering from cardiovascular septal defect to a hospital in capital Kabul. It added that more than 779 children who are struggling with heart problems have been treated over the past 9 months in Kabul. A training center opened for police and hosts. The Ministry of Interior says for the first time an education and training center for the police was opened in Host. Many high and local officials participated in the opening ceremony of this training center. A new department formed to preserve Afghans' jihadi values. According to the cabinet decision, the procedure prepared by the Ministry of Information and Culture for the protection of jihadi values is approved.